Okay, so listen, before we get started on this one, I want to apologize. I just want to be upfront about it and say that I'm sorry if I go off on a tangent and kind of sort of lose my shit on this one. I can't help it, it's just a topic that's got me just a little teeny tiny bit heated. Let's get into the reason that we're actually here. When it comes to building your truck, there are a few things that are absolute must-haves. Usually those consist of things like a lift kit, wheels, and of course tires, which you can get at customoffsets.com. But despite the absolute necessity of needing to have tires on every build, the tire market is in quite a bit of a dizzy right now. Between the fact that we're still somewhere in the middle of a global frickin' pandemic, the big ass ship that got stuck in the Suez Canal sideways, oh yeah, and these neat new government fees on tire manufacturers, it's got things pretty tore up. I'm Dustin with Custom Offsets. You can find me at dusty.co on Instagram, and today we're diving into just why buying tires absolutely fucking sucks in 2021. And if you haven't yet, be sure to hit us up over at customoffsets.com. We have this really nifty thing called the gallery, which is actually not little at all. It's like 80,500 vehicles that you can search through and see exactly what works on your truck. And if you're looking to get prepped for show season, we've got some 0% financing options as well, so you can finish your build now and pay it off later with your tax returns. It's a pretty slick setup. In case you didn't know, tires are made all over the world. And seriously, when we say all over the world, we actually mean all over the world. Companies like Mickey Thompson and Toyo are producing tires right here in the good old US of A. Meanwhile, other companies like BF Goodrich, Federal, and Venom Power are making tires in all sorts of countries across the globe, including, but not limited to, France, Spain, Serbia, Japan, Taiwan, and of course, who could forget China. For the last, well, forever, the tire market has existed in an almost perfect harmony. See, depending on where the tires are made, the quality of rubber, etc., tires could be placed into different pricing categories, commonly referred to as tiers. These tiers existed for the various customers in the market to find their perfect tire for the perfect price. It's why you can buy a set of 35 12.5 R20 Nitto Ridge grapplers at just under $1,800, while a similar size set of Venom Powers is only going to set you back about $1,000. Now this was all fine and dandy until about the last 10 years or so. It's no secret that over the last decade we've seen more tire manufacturers pop up than ever before, and this shouldn't come to you as a surprise. As demand in the tire market continues to grow because consumers like us continue to purchase tires, more manufacturers are seeing an opportunity to jump in there and grab a slice of the pie. This leads to a competitive marketplace, lowers prices, and gives you tons of options as a purchaser, which would be you. And options are cool, right? All is fair in love and war, and for a number of years it was, until recently. On December 30th of 2020, the US Department of Commerce released an investigation accusing tire manufacturers from South Korea, Taiwan, Thailand, and Vietnam of selling tires into the US market below what they call fair value market, causing a negative impact to the sales of US tire manufacturers. It's important to note here that we're not just talking about the off-brand tires. Some of the biggest names in the market are actually seeing the effect of this investigation, including Federal, Kenda, Milestar, and other popular names. To fight back, companies like Federal actually turned around their entire container ships full of tires and sent them back across the big pond to really stick it to the man. This obviously creates a draw in the market and makes some of the most popular tires a little harder to come by. But that's not all. If that wasn't bad enough, in case you forgot, 2020 was a hell of a year. Some dude in China ate a bat, he got sick, it spread across the world economy shut down, we all went into quarantine, I cried in my basement for like 10 days, the global economy stopped, and to combat that, the US government decided to help us a little bit by sliding a little money into our pockets in the form of a stimulus check. Now, I don't know about you guys, but $1,400 in my pocket sure seemed like a great chunk of change to toss in a new set of wheels and tires, and that's exactly what happened. Tire demand has absolutely surged over the last few months, with global demand nearly doubling on the most popular sizes and models of tires. This, coupled with the anti-dumping tax we talked about before, has caused a pretty wild shortage on some of the most popular names in the market. I was looking for a set of tires for the Duramax build the last few weeks, and I literally had to search 10 different manufacturers and about 15 different tire models before I finally found one that fit what I was looking for. Buying tires in 2021 kind of sucks. Chill out a bit, it's not all bad news. While it can be extremely difficult to find the tried and true names in the tire industry right now, it's actually opened the door up for a lot of new companies to really shine through. Companies like Mickey Thompson, Venom Power, and others that have great inventory available are really blowing up in the market right now and are taking this chance to step up onto the big stage and show the world what they're made of. Do you have any experience with buying tires in 2021? Has it been smooth sailing, or did you have some issues like I did? Let us know down in the comments section below, and as always, be sure to like the video, share it with a few friends, and subscribe to the damn channel already. Okay, peace.